माझें नांव सिंध्या हळदणकर आनी आयज हांवें ब्लड डोनेट केला. आयज म्हाज्या फ्रेंडाचो बर्थडे आसलो, सो तेणी कॅम्प ऑर्गनायज केल्लो. सो ताका आमी मातशी मदत केली कशें कितें करया, आनी व्हडली मदत म्हणल्यार आमकां GMCंतल्यान गावली. फ्रॉम कॅरिंग सोल्स तांचो ग्रूप आसा. सो हांवें आयज हांगासर येवन ब्लड डोनेट केलें. म्हाजो ब्लड ग्रूप A पॉझिटीव. सो आय होप म्हाजें ब्लड कोणाक ना कोणाक पावतलें. फाटीं एक अशी केस जाल्ली, कोणाक ब्लड जाय आसलेलें आनी आमकां खूब हांगा थंय अरेंज करपाक मातसो टायम जालो. सो हांवें चिंतलें की आयजो हांवें ब्लड कोणाक डोनेट केल्यार फाल्यां कोणाक तरी उपेगाक पडटलें. सो तुमी पासून अशेंच ब्लड डोनेट करपाक जाय. ब्लड डोनेट करून खूब बरें दिसता. असो भंय आसता की ती सूय मोठी आसता, दुखता, तशें कांय ना. मातशें सूय घालतना इन्सर्ट करतना फील जाता, आनीक कांय ना. सो थँक्यू.
Yeah, hi, good morning. So my name is Neil Savi Cornero and I'm from Sukuru. So basically here I've come to donate blood. I'm a regular donor. I've donated at least 20 to 21 times. We regularly see in the newspaper that there are a lot of accidents, a lot of requirements for blood during operations, and blood is something which cannot be manufactured. The only way is through donation. Now we have seen also there is a short supply of blood, in the sense that in the blood banks at GMC, Margo or Bambolim, there is always a shortage of blood. Now the only way is through donation. So thanks to these camps, which actually help to collect the blood, and then they are stored there at GMC, and then they can be given to the people who are in need. So it's basically a request for all, that all those, it would be good if you also could come forward and donate blood. This is an act which really pleases yourself, because it is something which you're giving for somebody else. You don't know who will get the blood, and it is something we are doing out of our own free will. So it's a honest plea for all those to come forward and donate blood.
माझें नाव परेश आयर. आयज हांव विलेज पंचायत बस्तोरा ब्लड डोनेशन कॅम्प आहा, त्या कॅम्पाक येयला ब्लड डोनेट करपाक. सो आय रिक्वेस्ट लायक यूथ फ्रॉम बस्तोरा, असले जेन्ना कॅम्प आसता तेन्ना येवपाचें आनी ब्लड डोनेट करपाचें, वेरीन वी कॅन सेव लायव्स ऑफ मॅनी पीपल. ओके. टुडे माय फ्रेंड्स बर्थडे, रोहित शेट्टीकर, so he invited me for his birthday as well as blood donation camp. So I came here and I have donated blood. This is not the first time, but like many times I have donated blood and I feel good. Like people should come out and donate blood to save life of many people. Nowadays many accidents are taking place, so even blood bank require blood. So I request everyone to please donate blood and save life.
Good morning, one and all present here. It is my pleasure to welcome you all here on this special day, as it is today's Rohit's birthday. Rohit हो आमचो फ्रेंड. रोहिताची सदांच विश आसली की आपूण ब्लड डोनेशन कॅम्प दवरतलो म्हणून, आनी आयज ताचो दीस तो तांणी ह्या दिसा हो एडवांटेज घेवन आयज ब्लड डोनेशन कॅम्प ऑर्गनायज केला इन आ पंचायत हॉल ऑफ बास्तोरा. So I request Rohit to kindly escort for today's chief guest. Sir, kindly give a round of applause. Then I call Dr. Sanjay Korgankar, the medical officer of Blood Bank GMC. Sir, he'll be coming with the leave. Then I call our Sarpanch, Sir Subhash Moraskar of Bastora. Then I call upon the Deputy Sarpanch, Mrs. Sunita Lotlikar. Then I call Sir Mark D'Souza, the group leader of Caring Souls of GMC. Kindly give a round of applause. And Rohit. So let us begin this day by lighting the lamp. जसो दिवो आमकां उजवाड दिता, तशें ब्लड डोनेट करून सगळ्यांक लायफ मेळटा. Now, I request Miss Yukti to kindly give a token of bouquet to our sir, Mr. Glenn Soja. Give a round of applause. I request Mr. Prochor to kindly give a token of bouquet to our Sarpanch, Sir Subhash Forest. I request Miss Sangeeta to kindly give Sir a token of appreciation to Mark Sir Mark. I request Sadhguru Hardankar to give a token of appreciation to Dr. Sanjay. I request Yukti to kindly give a token of appreciation to Ms. Give a round of
I think this is my third year, but other women outside come, the doctors. Third time I'm coming here. And these days is very hot, you know, and it is difficult to organize blood donation camp because no one is to come for blood donation camp for the heat. However, we are conducting this blood donation camp. During this season only there is a shortage of blood because the colleges are closed down. Where the main source of the blood is students. So since colleges are closed down, we have to conduct this type of camp. Regarding blood donation, this is a very simple procedure. It takes 3 to 5 minutes. You have to be not less than 18 years and not more than 60 years. Your hemoglobin should not be less than 12.5 and not more than 17. Your weight should not be less than 45. Remaining criteria are that you should be healthy, you should not be taking any medication, no chronic disorders. Any acute condition we differ only, but chronic disorder we permanently differ. So after donation, there is no special precaution for any donor. You can do any activity provided. Today is very hot, so see that you drink lot of water. That is the thing. Second, after donation, we give a card which you can use for any time for any of your family members or any friends. There is no expense for the card. Also, one thing I would tell: whenever you surrender card in the blood bank, sometimes it is not possible to give blood on that on the card. The reason is that if the patient is undergoing cardiac surgery, because they require fresh blood and the card cannot be, because whatever we have stored blood is more than 24 hours. So they don't utilize the blood which is given stored in the blood bank. They like to get fresh blood which is less than 24 hours. That's why we ask for donor in the cardiac surgery. Don't think that we are not honoring your card, but because of cardiac surgery, it is need, technical need. However, we try to provide blood to all the patients who are in GMC, anytime, any moment, any quantity, any group. That is our endeavor, and that is possible because of the blood donation camp you are holding. We have today 2 camps, one in Varka and one in North Goa, one in South Goa. So that's what we conduct almost more than last year we conducted 318 camps. That means we conduct every day we are going outdoor to collect the blood. Regarding other things, all the donors are aware what to do and what not to do. See, it's very hot, I will not take much time, but after donation, see that you sit here for 10 to 15 minutes, so we can take care of it. There is nothing happens after donation normally, but sometimes we feel giddy because of heat. So that's why wait after donation for 15 minutes in this premise. Thank you, have a nice day. I thank all the chief guest. I wait after long time to be here. Thank you.
आणि रणजीत रॉड्रिगीसाची आख्खी टीम आयज हो तेणी ब्लड डोनेशन कॅम्प ऑर्गनायज करपाक हांगा आयज ब्लड डोनेशन कॅम्प ऑर्गनायज करपाचो म्हणजे आमचो एक आतां हालींच BJPन जॉयन जाला तो आमचो एक बरो कार्यकर्तो ताका आमी युतार बी घातला आमच्या एकदम बरो त्या खातीर तेणी आयज ते येयलो आनी म्हाका सांगपाक लागलो आपणाचो 28 तारखेक बड्डे आसा आनी आपणाक मातसो बड्डे ग्रँड सेलेब्रेट करपाक जाय मागीर हांवें म्हटलें जर तुका ग्रँड सेलेब्रेट करपाक जाय जाल्यार वी वील हेल्प यू आउट आनी मागीर ते थंयसून आनी म्हाका म्हणपाक लागलो तुजें आपूण ब्लड डोनेशन कॅम्प करपाक सोदता चल आमी म्हटलें तुका सपोर्ट करता आनी आयज तेजो बड्डे सेलेब्रेट करपाच्या निमतान आमी आयज हांगासर ब्लड डोनेशन कॅम्प ऑर्गनायज केल्लो आहा आनी हांव ह्या सगळ्या डोनर कोण येयल्यात पळय तांकांय सगळ्यांक थँक्यू म्हणटा कित्याक आयज डोनर ना जाल्यार आमी ब्लड डोनेशन कॅम्प करून ऑर्गनायज करून कांय फायदो ना त्या खातीर सगळ्यान पयलीं डोनरांक चडान चड देव बरें करूं म्हणटा थँक्यू म्हणटा आनी म्हाजी दोन उतरां.
But in spite of all this, today a lovely program has been organized by the birthday boy Rohit Chadikar. They Chasli that on this particular day we would have this blood donation, camp donation, and with us we have Goa Medical Bank Bamboli, ज्यामध्ये असं आमचे एक आमचे गांवचे सरपंच बाब सुभाष मोनस्कर तशेंच आमचे डेप्युटी सरपंच सुनीता लोटलेकर आमचो मित्र डॉक्टर संजय वॉज very active. Just spoke about few words and ताजेर आमकां म्हायती दिल्ली आसा how white blood is important and at this particular time all the schools are closed, everything he made a mention of that. तशेंच आमचे आमचे बाब मार्क डिसोजा. And of course, once again, our birthday boy Rohit and all the donors who have given the blood already and will be giving the blood and doctors team, nurses and all his associates. In fact, blood is the most important thing which Suzanne Sangata Pormone, yes, I need blood, blood due to accidents or maybe different operations. And the doctor said fresh blood also is very important, when you have operations, emergency comes up. But in spite of that, doctor has said today there will be 2 camps in North Goa, South Goa. And in this scorching heat and a Gorminanga, today all the donors that have come is like a gift given to Bab Rohit Chadikar on his birthday. It's not easy, in this scorching, but people have come out today, you can see they're already donating the blood. And Rohit, it's a good thought on your birthday because we have thought of everybody else but yourself, because today blood is the most important thing. If you don't have blood at the right time, we can lose lives. So my wishes to you, you have a great birthday. And all the donors who have come especially today, and I'm sure I'm expecting some more donors to come and contribute their blood for a good cause. So once again, thank you very much, Doctor, for your support. We have been meeting often for the last so many years, and you have continued good work. And of course, Mark is the coordinator who is taken it forward. And of course, our dynamic Sarpanch, Deputy Sarpanch, his team are doing wonderful job in the Panchayat of Asora. So keep the good work going. And of course, हे सगळे आमचे मिडिया मार्फत करता आमचो बाब जोसफ is always very active, and whatever good things are there in the constituency, whatever whether development, causes like blood donation, he is always there. He is always there in terms and making his time. And also I would like to thank him very much for all his good work and giving the publicity, which is the important publicity to know what is happening in the constituency. So thank you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday
Mr. Shubhendru Gatwal. Mr. Wendell Rosedo. Mrs. Agnisha Penne. Mr. Nitesh Kudnekar. Mr. Paresh Iyer. Mr. Ashwin Goltekar. Subrahnya. Mr. Subrahnya Pandekar.
My name is Supradnya Bandekar. I'm from Punala Ukasaim, Bardesh. It was a really good experience donating blood over here, and people should come ahead and donate more blood. Because in today's world there are a lot of accidents going on, and a lot of people lose their life and are critically injured sometimes. So it is very necessary to us, for us as responsible citizens, to donate blood. And I encourage more of us to set up such kind of blood donation camps and donate blood. Thank you. My friend Rohit Shetikar, his birthday is there today, so happy birthday. He informed us about the blood donation camp, and he told us to make others aware about it and to come in mass and participate. As I said earlier, it is very important to donate blood because a lot of people lose their lives critically injured during accidents, and sometimes they have they need blood for operations and all. So it is very important to donate blood. It's a bit stinging right now. Nothing else. It was a really good experience. The doctors were very good, very cooperative. So when you donate blood, you also get a slip like this. This is a very important slip in case that your parents or your friends or your loved ones get or meet with an accident or are in need of blood. Then you can show this blood and you get your blood from the blood bank.
ओके, माझें नांव मोहिनी शेट्टीकार, हांव बस्तोड्यार रावता. अशे खुबशे कॅम्प जातात. म्हाका दिसता हांव 2022 एक ब्लड डोनेट केल्लें, तेज्या उपरांत हांव आयज करतां. आनी अशी खोशी जाता की कोणाक तरी उपयोग जाता ह्या ब्लडाचो. कितके एक्सिडेंट जातात, कोणाक खूब गरज आसता, आनी खूब फावटी आमी आयकतात की ब्लड जाय, अमके ग्रुपाचे ब्लड जाय, तेन्ना खूब वायट दिसता कित्याक ब्लड डोनर मेळना. जर आमी अशेंच ब्लड डोनेट केलें जाल्यार ते हेल्प जाता तांकां. तशें करून तुमी अशें फुडें येयात, डोनेट करात की जशें केन्ना केन्ना आपल्याकूय गरज पडूं शकता. आयज दुसऱ्यांक गरज आसा तेन्ना आमी फुडें सरया आनी अशें ब्लड डोनेट करया. थँक्यू.
My friend had contacted me saying that so and so place, Bastora, is holding a blood donation camp, and I was like, let's do something new, and I came over here, and I feel really great. I am not sick, nothing. I don't feel dizzy also. I am fine actually. There's no benefit but it's something that you're helping someone. If anyone is meeting with an accident, he requires blood, then you have already donated. You have your card, donating blood donation card. You can go and show that card. You can give blood for your friend who or anyone relative or something. And yeah, I feel good. No problem. There will be only one message. You should actually go donate blood more. Help others.
मेन म्हणजे कितें आसा आमचो एक ब्लड डोनेशन ग्रूप आहा सो ते ब्लड डोनेशन ग्रुपान डेली म्हाका डायरेक्ट आमकां नांवां दिसता जेंकां ब्लड रिक्वायरमेंट आसता हॉस्पिटलान आनी जेंकां थोड्यांक गावता थोड्यांक गावना पूण म्हाज्या तकलेन अशें एकदां हो विचार येयलो की आतां हांव स्वता फुडें सरतलो आनी ब्लड डोनेशन कॅम्प ऑर्गनायज करतलो जेन्ना लोक ब्लड डोनेट करता तेन्ना लोकांक लोक जे रगत दिता आपलें तें रगत पेशंटांक वयता आनी पेशंटांक जे डोनर जे आसता तांकां ते कार्ड गावतात ते कार्ड मागीर ते केन्ना फ्युचरान यूज करूंक शकता आपले फॅमिली मेंबर केन्ना सीक आसता तेन्ना ना कोणी तांचो रिलेटीव सीक आसता तांकां तेंच्या गरज आसता तेन्ना ते यूज करूंक शकता कार्ड न्यू कमर म्हणजे आतां फर्स्ट टायम डोनर जे आहा तांकां ते आतां एक लेसन कळ्ळें म्हणजे आतां तांकां कळोन येतलें की आतां हे आतां जशें कांयच आमकां JMCच्या डॉक्टरान सांगलें संजय जाल्यार की रगताचो यूज कितें तो आतां इन फ्युचर ते आमच्या सोयांक यूज जाता तांकां सगळ्यांक यूज जाता आतां प्रत्येक एवरी इयर आय डू वन थिंग लास्ट इयर आय ऑर्गनायज अ प्रोग्राम इन डॉन बॉस्को हॉस्टेल फॉर द चिल्ड्रन्स हू आर ऑर्फनेज and this year I plan to do something different like organizing a blood donation camp in Village Panchayat Hall and I first of all I especially like to thank the Sarpanch of Village Panchayat Bastora for giving us this opportunity to organize a camp in this hall.
Hello, my name is Jason Dias and I am from Asagaon. I came to Bastora for today blood donation. I was invited by Ranjit. When I came here first, I was nervous, but then I went through the procedure of registration, then to check my hemoglobin, and then they helped me remove my blood. It was a good experience, and I encourage all my homies and friends to come and donate their blood, so you also can save somebody's life in the future. So I can help somebody. That's why. And plus it is beneficial for you also in the end.
आयज आमचो फ्रेंड रोहीत शेट्टीकार तेचो आयज बड्डे आसलो आयज तेचो बड्डे सेलिब्रेट करपाक आयज हांगासर आमी आयज ब्लड डोनेशन कॅम्प ऑर्गनायज केलो आयज ब्लड डोनेशन कॅम्प ऑर्गनायज करून वीथ द हेल्प ऑफ GMCच्या हेच्या हितून आमी हेल्प ब्लड डोनेशन कॅम्प ऑर्गनायज केलो आनी आमकां बरो रिस्पॉन्स मेळ्ळा ऑलमोस्ट 22 आमच्या लोकांनी आयज हांगासर ब्लड डोनेशन केलां हांव ते जितल्यान आनी कोणी ब्लड डोनेशन केलां तांकां चडान चड देव बरें करूं म्हणटा सद्या ही गरमेन सद्या ब्लड डोनेशनान सद्या सगळ्याक
मातशें सगळ्या हॉस्पिटलांनूय बी मातशें तांकां प्रॉब्लम इशू जाल्लो आनी आयज हो ब्लड डोनेशन कॅम्प इतली गरमी आसून सुद्दां सगळ्यांनी येवन हांगा बरो रिस्पॉन्स दिला आनी हो बरो आमचो म्हाज्या कॅल्कुलेशनान तरी आयचो ब्लड डोनेशन कॅम्प आनी हो प्रोग्राम बरो सक्सेसफूल जाला. सकाळीं आमचो एक्स MLAन येवन हांगासर ब्लड डोनेशन कॅम्प इनॉग्रेट केलो आनी मागीर हे सगळो आयज सगळ्यांनी हांगासर ब्लड डोनेशन दिवपाक स्टार्ट केलें. थँक्यू.